Hi Stampers, I'm Jill and I want to show you another fun fold idea with our DSP that we have here. You notice it's got a little shimmer to it. This also is part of our holiday mini catalog. It's a piece of 12 by 12 and so I've already cut it, and this is 5.5 by 12. So that's how you want to cut it, and I've already scored it. You'll need to score it at 4 1/4. And then from that score line, you're going to do it 3 inches and then another 3 inches. So if you just remember 4 1/4, 3 inches, and 3 inches. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold this at the 4 1/4 score line. And then I'm going to go back and forth with this fold. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that again, and then I'm going to fold this piece over. So we're going to kind of see the back of the actual cardstock or the designer series paper. So that's how we've got it, like so. Now what we're going to do, we want to go ahead and put something that's kind of round or square right here that will cover up this spot right here. So I went ahead and did this one and used a doily. And if you notice, when I open it up, it has the saying right here. So you'll have to use something, another saying, and then you open it up again, and then that's your card. So you can do it 2 different ways. You can do it like this and not adhere it and just pull it out like that, or adhere this part right here close. So it has the 3 folds. So 1, 2, and then this other score line is the 3rd one. So it's kind of flimsy like that, and that's why I use the cardstock either inside or outside the paper. So let me show you some other samples. This one right here, I went ahead and just trimmed it at 5 1/4 actually by 10 1/2, and then you just minus 1/4 on each one of these. So if you notice, this is big, this is a little bit smaller, and then hope your day was truly amazing. So all those things are covered up when the other one goes over it. Here's a happy birthday one. I love this one. And celebrate the good stuff. And I went ahead and did not adhere this because the paper is amazing. So see how fun that is without adhering it too. Okay, that's another look. Here's this one. I love this suite of paper because the images are just beautiful. And this one is adhered. So, and then, oh, the Christmas one. Love this one. This is the Santa's Workshop Suite. And wishing you everything on your list. So you know he's looking at the list. And then, and more. So that is such a fun suite, and this paper is amazing. So hope you've enjoyed this new fun fold idea, and that you can come up with some designer series paper that you can use both sides with. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Watch it weekly Wednesday. We'll see you next time.